no.
Oh no.
It's more leaves than any.
Run, Elsie.
Everybody.
They gotta go there and touch the wall and run back. Those are the rules, Sarah. Now what can I do?
Oh, that's weird.
You missed it. Boom, and it was gone.
Okay.
Here they come. Here they come.
Look at that! Oh my God! Look at their hair.
Get the bubbles. So silly.
We're all here in the garden.
I love to see the two of them play together.
I got that.
They have to touch the wall and then they can come back. That's their game. I've been watching
Get the
them.
bubbles, Elsie. Look up. Look up.
Get him, get him, get him.
Look at her. She's
Oh jeez. Oh.
Oh, you got a lot of blackmail for when she gets older.
Yeah, who needs window lickers? We have a bubble licker.
You do remember what she used to do on her plate and push your face right up against it?
Are we bubbled out?
Yeah, we're bubbled out.
We're bubbled
We're
out.
all bubbled out.
Funny. Little Elsie's just like, oh man, I like to go around and around and around.
You want more bubbles? What do you say?
Look at her. She's like.
She's like,
She's popping in my head.
on mushrooms or something. You know.
Oh my God. Just like somebody who was stoned. What's that?
All of a sudden, like real quick.
Okay, that's it. I'm not
Okay,
taking
okay,
it
they're
anymore.
tired.
No more
They're
bubbles.
tired. You know that
Look
carpet
at
is
the bubbles
soaking
here.
wet.
Look at the bubbles. Get them. Get it, girl.
It's only bubbles.
Good girl,
It's soap.
Ella.